As the tank engine wouldn't stop being a nuisance, night after night, he kept the other engines awake.
I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the world.
The other engines didn't take much notice, for Thomas was a little engine with a long tongue. But one night, it worked him to the shed. He was a kind little engine and felt sorry for Thomas.
Got some train cars to take home tomorrow. If you take them instead of me, I'll push coaches in the yard.
Thank you. That would be nice.
Next morning, Edward and Thomas asked their brothers, and when they said yes, Thomas ran off happily to find freight cars. Now the freight cars were silly, noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what their dog doing. And I'm sorry to say they play tricks on an engine who is not used to them. It's when you all about the freight cars. You want Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen. The shuttle fastened the coupling, that's when the signal dropped. Thomas was ready. The conductor blew his whistle. Beep, beep. And so Thomas and then started off. But the freight cars weren't ready.
Wait, Thomas, wait.
But Thomas wouldn't wait.
Come on.
All right, go fast. All right, go fast.
Rumbled the cars. Thomas began going faster and faster. Whoosh. He whistled as he rushed through Henry's tunnel.
Hurry.
Poor Thomas. He was feeling very proud of himself, but the cars grew crosser and crosser. At last, Thomas slowed down as he came to Gordon's Hill. The driver warned him to be steady as he reached the top. He began to put on the brakes.
We're stopping.
No, go on.
And so the cars bumped into each other. Before the driver could stop them, they pushed Thomas down the hill and were rattling and laughing behind them. But Thomas tried to stop them from making him go too fast.
Stop pushing.
Yes, but the cars took no notice.
Go on.
They giggled in their silly way.
There's the station. We'll be here. What shall I do?
Brought to names, they ran straight through and swerved into the goods yard. Thomas shut his eyes.
I must stop.
We opened his eyes. He saw he'd stopped just in front of the buffers. There watching him was Sir Topham Hatt.
What are you doing here, Thomas?
I brought Edward's freight cars.
Why did you come so fast?
I didn't mean to. I was pushed.
You've got a lot to learn about freight cars, Thomas. After pushing them about here for a few weeks, you'll know almost as much about them as Edward. Then you'll be a really useful engine.